It's so nice lang, no, nagigising ka sa umaga tapos ganyan kagandang view yung sasalubong sa inyo. This will really make your day. Hello mga kabay! This is Carmina Moreno of Homescape Realty, your host today. At ngayon nandito po tayo sa Marikina City, isa sa napakaganda at eksklusibong subdivision sa lugar na ito. At ngayon po isang napakaganda at bagong house and lot ang ipapakita namin sa inyo. So stay tuned and also please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon below so that you get notified whenever we release new property videos. So let's go! As you can see, nandito po tayo sa napakagandang pasad ng bahay. And it really looks gorgeous. And of course, space for landscaping. So, tara, pasok tayo. So, the patio, going to the main door. And on this side is your pocket garden. That is how it looks like. And of course, your garage with 2 carports. Covered na rin po siya, so protected yung mga vehicles ninyo. And look at the gate. In person po, napakaganda talaga niya. So, this way, going to your Lanai. Yan, kita po. And extension of your dining. Yan. And going through here. Yan, meron na po dito mga nakatanim, pero kung meron pa kayong gusto, actually maganda na siya, pero kung meron pa kayong gustong ilagay dyan for your gardening, mas okay po. So, this way is going to your dirty kitchen. Meron siyang maliit na bubong dito, ha. Yan. Okay, your dirty kitchen area, but actually you can turn it into an extension of your kitchen. Because look at this, meron ditong mga built-in cabinets. Napakaganda niya. And of course, I don't know, I'm not sure kung saan gawa tong tiles na to, but is it marble or granite? I'm sorry kasi hindi ako familiar sa mga ganun, pero napakaganda niya. Lalo na sa personal. And of course, ito yung pinaka-lababo rito na pwede niyong paghugasan. Yan. And this is your laundry area. I'm sorry. Your laundry area. And here's your maid's quarter. May sarili na rin po siyang CR. Yan. And before I forgot, this is the door papunta sa loob. Pero hindi tayo dyan papasok, sa kabila tayo papasok sa pinaka-main door. So, let's go back. pasok na tayo. So, welcome here inside of your home. So, we're here in your living area. And on this side is your double sliding window facing the front part of the house. And of course, kita yung inyong pocket garden sa labas. Yan. Your sockets. And what most special here is your high ceiling. Yan. That's what it looks like. Napakaganda. And over here, sa may bandang ilalim ng hagdan is your mini storage room. And here is your dining area. Meron din siyang bintana facing the front part of the house, your garage. Kita siya mula sa kitchen. And this is what I was saying a while ago, your double sliding door going through your lanai. Could be an extension of your dining area. And meron din siya ditong maliliit na bintana na pwedeng buksan for ventilation. And here is your kitchen area. Napakaganda ng pagkakagawa nito. Marble, granites, or what it is, whatever it is, napakaganda po niya. Built-in cabinets. Yan. Storage as well here. And 2 small windows. And ito po yung pintuan papunta sa ating dirty kitchen area. Yan. That's what it looks like mula rito. Meron din ditong bintana. Tanaw yung sa labas. And on this corner is your powder area. So, let's go to the second floor. Your beautiful handrails. Going upstairs to the second floor. So now we're here on the second floor, and by the way, we have 2 bedrooms here. But before that, pansinin muna natin itong side na to. Yan, from here, kita po natin yung living area and of course your pocket garden over here, over there. So let's go to the bedroom number 1. Okay, your bedroom number 1 with built-in cabinets here. At dito po ay ang kanyang glass window na tanaw kung ano yung nasa labas, especially the beautiful view of trees and your surroundings. It's so nice lang, no, nagigising ka sa umaga tapos ganyan kagandang view yung sasalubong sa inyo. This will really make your day. So let's go to the bedroom number 2, which is your master's bedroom. But before that, silipin natin ang common bathroom here. Okay, let's go to the master's bedroom. your beautiful master's bedroom with built-in cabinet, of course. And look at the beautiful ceiling. Yan, ambience of bahay kubo. Very nice. And here is your master's bathroom. The toilet and the shower area is divided by glass, and your double sink here. Yan. You see her sink and his sink. And meron ditong outlet. So let's go. I'm gonna show you the most special part here. By the way, its window is made of glass, so natural lighting is coming through from inside. Its most beautiful and spacious balcony. Yan. Tanaw yung beautiful surroundings niya, especially yung mga puno. Yan. So let's go to the third floor. Meron din siya ritong switch for the lights. Going upstairs. And finally, we're here on the third floor. Let's go to the bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 is more spacious than bedroom number 1. And ganyan po siya kalawak. With built-in cabinet. And of course, window. Tanaw din yung sa labas. Ayan. Kita ba siya? Yung labas niya. Ayan. So now, let's go to the bedroom number 3. By the way, meron ditong window for ventilation or pwede rin para pumasok yung fresh air. And this is your bedroom number 3 with built-in cabinets and of course, your window. Ayan. Mas malaki po yung window niya. So, from here, tanaw yung paligid niya. And over here, overlooking of buildings and mountains. Pakita mo nga sa camera. Ang ganda kasi ng view niya dito. Over there. And of course, wala po siyang sariling CR yung bawat room dito sa third floor. And this is their common bathroom. And now we're done with our house tour today. Thank you so much for being with us. And if you're interested to view the property, please call us at 0956-276-5152. You may also follow us on our official Facebook page at Realty Del Moreno. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you like this video, please hit like and comment. Once again, this is Carmina Moreno of Homescape Realty, your dream home. Let's turn it into reality. God bless everyone!